Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Instagram password if you forgot it. Now, if you forgot your Instagram password, in order to change it, you need to have access to your phone number or email address, whichever thing you used when you created your Instagram account. You need to have access to that. So if you have access to that, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on the three line at the top right and click on versus settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down and click on logout and click on logout again. Once you do that, it's going to log you out from your Instagram account. Now, once you log yourself out of your Instagram account, so my Instagram account's info is saved over here, so I will remove it. I will click on setting at the top and remove my account called Witchy677 from over here. Click on remove profile, click on remove. Now once my account is removed, what I'm going to do is click on versus log into another account. Now over here, you can see this option called forget password. Click on forget password, and over here you need to write the username of your Instagram account. If you don't remember your username, you can enter your email. So I enter my email over here because I remember my email, and this email is linked with my Instagram account. So I will click on find account. So an account under that email does exist, and it has sent me a confirmation code on my email. So I will go check my email now. And remember, if you used your phone number, it's going to send the code to your phone number. So don't get confused. I used my email, that's why I'm checking my email. And as you guys can see, Instagram has sent me the code 303244. So it's 303244. I click on continue. Now it's going to take me to this page. So this is my account. So I click on continue. Now I can enter my new password. After I enter my new password and I click on continue, my password will be changed. And I didn't even have to remember my old password. As you guys can see, this is the way on how you guys can change your Instagram password if you forgot it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.